Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel where all things are beautiful. I'm your girl Miss Mobe and I'll be doing a DIY for you today. So if you haven't yet done so, go ahead and press the subscribe button. Please remember to like and please remember to do comment. So thank you guys for stopping by and I hope to see you in the future. Today's video is inspired by two photos that I saw online. We'll be making two candle holders and we're just going to make it to our fit. Ensure that you put enough glue on your glasses to give them a more secure and strong hold instead of having them falling apart or breaking on you. So after you place your candle bowl on top of your candle stand, you're gonna hold onto it, press onto it so it's secure and it stands firmly. So you can also go ahead and place a heavy book on top of it and that will press down the candle bowl into the stand so it gives it a more secure hold. You can leave your candle stands just the way they are or you can design or decorate it. It's your choice. Did decide to leave my candle holders like this just to let them remain simple like the inspired picture and then move on to my second candle holder. My second candle holder will be a mirrored inspired one. I then started removing the legs of my glass because this one is going to go on top. The one that is going on top, you definitely do not want it to have the feet. The one that is going to stay on the bottom, it's okay to have the feet on them. Applying some adhesive to the rim of the glass, ensure that when you apply the adhesive to the glass rim, you apply it evenly and neat so that when you place the glass on top of the glass mirror, it does not spatter it all over the glass. Also, ensure that you place your glass in the center. One of the things that I did wrong was not to place mine entirely in the center, but it came out looking fine. It was just okay. So also, I used the glue gun instead of using a stronghold glue. You can also go ahead and use the E60 glue because it's much stronger. I'm just using the glue gun glue for the video purpose, but if you're using it to say keep at home or to use it as a decor piece in your home, ensure that you use a very strong glue that will last you forever. So you can go ahead and cover the entire thing if it's your choice. I wanted to cover the entire thing, but it was getting super late and I wanted to be done with the video.